In a quiet meadow, a stork named Stanley discovered an unusual-looking egg in a hidden corner. He decided to take care of it until it hatched. To Stanley's surprise, the egg hatched into an ungainly and ugly duckling. He didn't look like any other bird Stanley had seen before. The duckling grew up feeling out of place, trying to befriend the graceful swans, but being rejected due to his appearance. Feeling lonely and unloved, the duckling often wandered alone under the moonlight, dreaming of acceptance and beauty. The kind stork, Stanley, reassured the duckling that he was special and that true beauty comes from within. Encouraged by Stanley's words, the duckling decided to set out on a journey to find his true identity and place in the world. Throughout his journey, the duckling faced various challenges, meeting different animals and learning valuable life lessons. One day, as the duckling rested by a serene lake, he noticed a stunning reflection in the water, and to his surprise, it was a group of elegant swans. The duckling gasped in amazement as he looked at his own reflection, which had transformed into that of a magnificent and charming swan. The graceful swans welcomed him with open wings, embracing the once ugly duckling as one of their own. He had found where he truly belonged. With newfound confidence, the swan soared high in the sky, embracing his true self and spreading his wings in freedom. Stanley, the stork, watched proudly as the swan he had raised grew into a beautiful and confident creature, knowing he had played a part in the transformation. The swan visited the meadow again, where his journey had begun, and was warmly greeted by the other animals who had once shunned him.